Hi everyone. In this video I'll be showing you how to change your Facebook name. So let's get started. So first thing, just go to your Facebook app in the home page, and to the right top you'll be having your profile icon. Just click this, and at the top to the menu you'll be having this settings icon. Alright, just click on the settings and you will be taken to the settings and privacy option. And in case if you don't have this settings icon, what you can do is just scroll down, and under settings and privacy you need to click on settings. So it will also take you to the same interface, and in this you'll be having this Meta account center. Just click that, and here we'll be having our Facebook profile. Click the profiles and just click on your Facebook account which you want to change the name. And here we'll be having name over there. Click that, and here we can specify our first name, middle name and surname, and it clearly says if you change your name you can't change it again for 60 days. So make sure that you have a proper name selected. Once you are done changing the name, just click on review change and just click on save changes. So here you can see now my Facebook name has changed. The change has also affected in my profile. So that's the video guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.